Hello everyone, Mr. Geislard here, and this is question number 7 on assignment number 1, Basic Angles. In order to solve this, the first thing we have to do is notice that we have a linear pair of angles here. A linear pair is when you have two angles that are adjacent. Adjacent means they're next to each other, and they add up to 180 degrees, or in other words, they're on a straight line. So, because it's a straight line, that adds up to 180 degrees. So to solve this, all we're going to do is write an equation. So 13x plus 14, so that's the measure of this angle here, plus the measure of the other angle, which is 7x plus 26, has to equal 180 degrees. Combine your like terms. So you have 13x and 7x gives you 20x. 14 and 26 is going to give you 40 is equal to 180. Subtract 40, and then you end up with 20x is equal to 140. Divide by 20, and in this case, x will equal 7. Well, if you know x equals 7, to find the measure of angle CAE. Now, angle CAE is this angle right here. This is angle CAE. Now, that is a vertical angle with angle DAB. So, if I can find the measure of this angle in here, that's the same as the measure of this angle here. To do that, I'm just going to substitute 7 in place of x. So, we have 7 times 7 plus 26. So that's 49 plus 26. 49 and 26 is 75. So that should be my answer there. And that's how you do this problem.